Okay, I'm going to show you something that to me is almost like a conspiracy. First, we'll go to Amazon.com and have a look at Fox's Book of Martyrs. Here it says original edition, and it says that it has 462 pages for the original edition. Here's another one, complete with portraits, illustrations, biography of John Fox. And on another spot, it said, I think it said complete or unabridged or something. But if we look at the number of pages for this, it's 599 pages estimated. Here's another one, the original classic edition. And if you look down here, 278 pages. Then if you go to the Pure Gold Classics paperback, for example, Fox's Book of Martyrs, you will see 490 pages. Now, what a lot of people don't know is actually the book was originally called Acts and Monuments, spelled ACTES and Monuments, or I think another edition may have been ACTS and Monuments. So the closest one to the original edition looked like this. It's got now this has 752 pages, but as far as I can tell, it's got two other books that go with it. And that looks like the closest to the original edition, the actual edition. If you look here, Acts and Monuments New and Complete Edition, it says with a preliminary dissertation. It does say volume 7. Notice, by the way, that this is $40 for this one, and if there's 3 of them, that'll be about $120. And this is $53 for the paperback, volume 7. It's got 764 pages. And if you look here, it says it's a facsimile of the 1583 edition, and this it says $3,302.96. Okay, so now let me show you what I'm considering. I might read for you on YouTube. I've got the 1641 copy, which I got off of archive.org. And if you want to know where to get that on archive.org, I guess when I put this on YouTube, you can ask me about it in the comments. Now, this is what it looks like. There are three editions of it. Notice the first one has 1,164 pages, and I'll tell you, it's packed with words. So that's 1,164 pages. Then the next one is 864 pages. So that's about 2,000 pages. And then if you look at the third one, there's 1,254 pages, which makes about 3,200 pages. So what that ought to tell you is most of those Fox's Book of Martyrs books on Amazon and that they sell in the bookstores, the small paperback copies about you can see the web address here. for the third edition. Under ecclesiastical history, I think. See the ecclesiastical history? You might find it under that. The paperback edition has maybe 400 or 500 pages. I don't remember, but it's not anything on the order of the amount of words in the original Fox's Book of Martyrs. So you've been sold like a false bill of goods in these bookstores, being made to think that that book that you get is the actual 3,000 page Fox's Book of Martyrs that was originally published. Now this is the 1641, not the original 1583 edition. But and you know, it's a little hard to read the writing, but I'm definitely considering you know, reading this to you on YouTube to help you out, because for some of you this may be very difficult to read with this kind of writing. So anyway, I just thought I'd let you know about this odd situation where Fox's Book of Martyrs in the bookstores, they're small, they make you think they're the whole book, and the actual book is 3,000 pages long. And you can hardly find it anywhere. And if you want to get it, it's generally expensive, but the 1641 edition looks like pretty much the whole thing, which you can get for free on archive.org.